Good day, guys. It's your boy Jason at the manager, and I'm here to teach you how to limit admin logins. So, the first thing you need to do is log into your WordPress account, go over to plugins, add new, then search for limit login attempts. So, install and activate. Once that's done, go over to the limit login attempts reloaded dashboard, click on it. So go over to settings, scroll down. So guys, here's a toolbar where you can set allowed tries, 20 minutes lockout, and lockout increase lockout time to 24 hours. Then 24 hours until reset. Then save changes. So once you save changes, let's test if it works. So by theory, it's supposed to give us 4 tries to get the password right. So log out. Guys, to say if someone tries to log in your admin account with a wrong password or a wrong username, shows we have 3 remaining tries. So after 4 tries, it automatically logged the person out from trying. So let's put in our password, lock it. So that's it, guys. You successfully changed and limited your admin logins. See you next time.